set on a tranquil slope overlooking a golf course in Pilar, Argentina. Olivos House emerges not just as a home, but as an expression of landscape's soul. Here, architecture does not frame nature. It becomes nature's breath. From the outside, the house's minimalist skin subtly conceals its lush interior. At its heart lies a vertical, curved courtyard, unexpected and alive, shaping a seamless mound of terraces that stitch the ground, first floor and rooftop into a living topography. This isn't architecture imposed, it is terrain reimagined. The stepped garden terraces flow naturally, using native vegetation and green roofs to blend building and environment, turning the home into a compact, breathing ecosystem. The ground floor offers open, unified spaces. The living room, kitchen, dining team up around views of the golf course. A private courtyard adjoins the master bath, offering calm seclusion. Upstairs, 3 secondary bedrooms each host their own baths, balanced for privacy and flow. Light frames life here. Large windows and the central curved courtyard channel daylight deep into the home, animating textures and changing the mood as the day moves. Cross-ventilation and solar orientation keep the house cool naturally, merging comfort with elegance. Nature speaks through material honesty. Exposed liquid stone, concrete, warm wood, iron and glass, each in its raw purity echoing the landscape. The textures glow as light moves, softening surfaces and minds. Internally, space is soulful and tactile. Built-ins are subtle, materials shine through texture, and every room feels connected to green horizons. The home is a comforting retreat, capable of hosting friends or quiet mornings undisturbed. The external design is unrestrained and evolving. Native biodiversity thrives atop green roofs and terraced gardens. These dynamic landscapes offer fresh air, habitat, beauty, and a home that grows with time, not against it. Olivos House is not built, it is cultivated. A dwelling where humanity and nature live in continuum, where architecture and gardening breathe together. In this home, every breeze, beam of light and rising terrace speaks of sanctuary,